ਦਰਿਆ ਸਿੰਧ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫਲਾਈਨ ਹੈ। ਬਿਲਾਵਲ ਭੁੱਟੋ ਜ਼ਰਦਾਰੀ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਖਬਰਦਾਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਆਖਿਆ ਹਰ ਸੂਰਤ ਆਪਣੇ ਹਕੂਕ ਦਾ ਦਿਫਾ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਦਰਿਆ ਸਿੰਧ ਦਾ ਪਾਣੀ ਪਾਕਿਸਤਾਨ ਦੀ ਲਾਈਫਲਾਈਨ ਹੈ। ਬਿਲਾਵਲ ਭੁੱਟੋ ਜ਼ਰਦਾਰੀ ਨੇ ਭਾਰਤ ਨੂੰ ਖਬਰਦਾਰ ਕਰ ਦਿੱਤਾ।
How can Pakistan be expected to sustain a ceasefire when India continues to pose an existential threat? This is not a matter of paperwork, hydrology, or administrative abeyance. This is the weaponization of water. The Indus Water Treaty was not a favor given to Pakistan. It was a solemn international settlement. It was brokered in the shadow of partition because the rivers of Punjab and Sindh could not be left to the mercy of anger. It is not a river on a map. It is our bread, it is our cotton, it is our wheat, it is our fields of Sindh, our orchards of Punjab, our waters of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, our channels of Balochistan. India wants the world to take its threat seriously. Pakistan must compel the world to take our survival seriously. Our message must be clear. Any move to block, divert, manipulate, or potentially politically control Pakistan's rightful waters will not be treated as routine engineering. Anyone believes that Pakistan will surrender the Sindhu, they do not know Pakistan. They do not know the people who have lived by these rivers for thousands and thousands of years. We want peace, but peace with dignity. We want dialogue, but dialogue under law. Pakistan will defend its water, its people, its treaty, its sovereignty, and its future.